Hey guys, welcome back. This course is about how to start learning the practical C# easily and quickly. Indeed, I combined up to 10 different C# courses into one course, and it is up to 60 hours of the great video tutorials for learning the practical C# from scratch. Did you want to learn the C# but you got no results? Do you want to learn the practical C# with a lot of fun and many thousand tips and tricks? So this course is great for you. Stay with me for a couple of minutes. I'll show you how to change your life by learning the C# easily in the best manner. Here I am to show you how to learn the C# programming language. I was the CEO of the software company and managing 2 software startups. And with more than 23 years of programming experiences in C#, VB.NET, ASP.NET, SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, Web Services, HTML, CSS, jQuery, and 3D game design. In addition, the installation and electronic circuit design and microcontroller programming. Here I am to show you how to learn the C# easily and quickly in the practical method. So I created this course and combined all the 10 courses inside this one. You know what? The main difference between my course with other courses is that from the scratch I'll show you the professional and enterprise application and the real world usage of the controls. For instance, if I wanna work with the text box, I'll show you the text box in the real world application. This is the paperless office software Camisho, and you can easily download its version from camishosoft.com. So from scratch I'll show you how to work with the text boxes and the labels or the group box or the panels, and how to work with the toolscript and so on. From the beginning you can see the project in the real world, then you can learn it easily because you know exactly what you want to do. So this is the main difference between my course with all the courses. So let's take a quick look at content of this course. In fact, in this course I use up to 50 different projects for learning, first of all, the C# concepts and coding, and up to 60 hours of the great video tutorials and 10 different courses in one course. And all of my tutorials are project based. So everything I want to show you is based on the different projects. After completing this course, you're going to learn how to write the C# code, how to create Windows application based on your needs, how to work with the Windows registry, how to work with the SQL Server and ADO.NET technology, create the reports in the C# by StimulsoftWorking, how to work with the zip file and folder, how to work with the VirtualBox and virtual machines, and create your own and modern GUI app. And finally, we're going to learn how to create the multi-language application. So this course is really great. Now let's talk more about it. From the scratch, I'm going to talk about how to start working with the Visual Studio and install the C# and start working with the C# codes and programming. So for better understanding, first of all, I'll show you how to start working with the C# from scratch, how to install the Visual Studio and start writing the C# code. And it is in my beginners C# course. And after that, I have the intermediate C# and advanced C#. These numbers are the project's number that I'm going to show you how to work with the C# by using them. And after finishing each course or sub-course, I'll show you how to create the sample project. This is the calculator. You're going to learn how to create it after finishing the beginner's course. And it includes many great tips and tricks about the C# programming, the C# codes, and so on. And the next one is intermediate. After learning the C# basics, you're going to learn how to work with the intermediate concepts. So this is the results, and in fact my intermediate course final project. You're going to learn how to create something like this, how to register the data, and this is the phone book, how to add new data, then how to search your records over here inside the text files, how to run the other applications such as calculator from your Windows, and how to create About Us form for the application and how to exit your application. So it's time to start the advanced concepts and topics of the C#, and this is the final project, how to create something like this diary application. the login form, the calendar, the image, and the media player, how to show the desktop. This is really great and amazing. How to add all of this over here and add your background image and add the memo for your application. Easily and quickly. This is the advanced course of my C# and you're gonna learn a lot of tips and tricks during this course. Now we know how to work with the C# after completing the advanced section or the course. After finishing the advanced course, I'm going to show you how to start working with the Windows registry for saving the data inside the registry and loading them back by using 7 great projects. And you can see something like this, and all of these are saved inside the registry easily and quickly. So the Windows registry is really great when you want to create the professional applications. And the next course is about how to start working with the SQL Server. So first of all, I'll show you how to start working with the SQL Server. Then I'll show you how to create your database in the SQL Server and how to start working with the SQL Server AD.NET technology for connecting your SQL Server database to the Windows form. And the result is a simple application, and this is the application that you're going to learn how to create it after this course. And the next step is talking about the reporting in the StimulsoftWorking by using the C#. So you're going to learn how to create and design your report by using the StimulsoftWorking reporting component, and it's really great and amazing. This is the English word list report, and I'm going to show you everything from scratch, how to create the dictionary application, design your report for the English dictionary. And this is really practical and amazing. And the next one is working with the zip file. So it's time to create the zip file. I'll show you how to create the zip file and folder for different languages and how to make the backup form something like this based on the zip file, and how to create the restore form for restoring the data of our application based on the zip file. So it's really amazing. And the next one is talking about the VirtualBox. The VirtualBox is the virtual Windows or virtual operating system or Windows in Windows. I'm going to show you how to start working with the VirtualBox and how to use it in my upcoming sections and tutorials for testing the application and the programs. So this is the VirtualBox. And the next one is Modern GUI Apps. This is what you're going to learn after finishing this course, how to create the modern and great design applications, something like this, and how to change the skin of your application. It's really amazing and great how to create the professional and enterprise applications. So this is from scratch. I'll show you everything step by step. And the last one is creating the multi-language applications, how to create your multi-language applications. And this is the result easily and quickly, how to select the language and how to change the language of the application, and indeed designing this application from scratch. Now we are at the end point of the C# course. So after this course, you're going to learn a lot and you can change your life. So if you want to change your life and if you want to learn the C# in the best method, here I am. Don't hesitate to join my course. I'm waiting for you.